Okay, so today's going to be pool day. One of my pool lights were out, and while out looking on Amazon for a replacement incandescent bulb, I ran across this LED fixture, and it only came to about $80. And for that price, I couldn't help but to give it a chance, especially since LED fixtures for pools run $300, $500, $700. I've never considered it in the past, but this is a multicolor. It's partly stainless steel, partly plastic. Has this silicone seal on the bottom, its own mounting bracket. I'm interested to see how that's going to integrate with our Hayward style can that's already in the pool. The cord's wrapped on the back. This happens to be the 16-foot cord. They also offered this in, I believe it's a 5-foot, but I wanted to make sure it extended all the way to my dry box. Not a bad looking fixture. Of course, coming from China, has to have a remote. Strangely enough, it came without a battery, so you need a CR123 battery for it. It's stated in the directions that it wasn't included due to, let's see, battery is not packed in this package due to international logistics rules. Yeah, as if we haven't bought batteries from China before, but no big deal. So let's see what it takes to get this installed today. Over here I have two lights in the pool. If this works out okay, then I'll probably do the second one too. And yeah, there it is. So that's what we'll be working on. Let's get our electrical disconnected. Should be under this box. Might as well take the opportunity to get my dive gear wet. And let's see what we have in this tank. A little over 1,500 pounds, there'll be plenty. No leaks. Looks like we're in good shape there. I'll shut that back off until we splash. Okay, so we're back to working on the pool. Last week, actually, I pulled the old fixture out of the housing. It's a Hayward lamp assembly, and as you saw in the underwater video clip, the light was about a third full of water, so that explains its failure. Its seals went bad in the light itself. And actually too, that was filmed with my old Sea Life Micro 2.0 camera. So actually a decent quality camera. The camera was set with a color correction for shallow water, which you would use for snorkeling, but still when I came out of the water you noticed how pink or reddish tint the outside air was, and that was the cause for that. It was just the underwater color correction. Now in that housing, it's a sealed housing, and it has a conduit that connects to the back, and that leads up to the standpipe where you make your dry connections. And usually you could just pull the cord right through that conduit, but for some reason the cord was epoxied into the hole, which left me a little concerned. Either they're just trying to keep water out, or they had a leak they were fixing, and I wasn't going to chip away at epoxy until I was prepared. So I ordered some of this pull epoxy that you could use and set underwater. So I'm prepared for it. Either way, I'll plug the hole back up just to be on the safe side. The other thing, it's turned out not to be too bad. This is kind of a picture of the inside edge of the housing, and up at the top there is a little protrusion where the original screw went through the light fixture to fasten it. At the bottom there's also this plastic protrusion in the housing that catches the bottom of the lamp. So for this bracket that came with the new light, it already had 2 holes punched at the bottom. I was able to use the bottom hole, put a 1024 screw in with a washer and a nut, and this washer will go behind this lip. Up top I had to drill a new hole, and this lines up with the hole at the top. So as you can see, this is to scale. That will mount perfectly in the hole of the existing housing, and then you just mount the light to this bracket and we should be in good shape. So let's get started with that again. Alright, so I chipped away from the putty out of the hole and loosened up the cable. I used the old cable as a pull string to pull a piece of paracord through, and now have paracord taped off to the wire for the new lamp assembly, and I'll pull that back through to the junction box. Alright, here's our cable. Well, this new light puts out quite a bit of light. I do have a second original incandescent light still in the pool. Just threw in this little extra clip because Florida evening, see the lightning in the background, quite a show. This pool light retrofit was a success. Very pleased with it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Retrofitting the old incandescent style built-in lights is not that bad. The bracket adapts readily, and as long as you already have the 12-volt transformer from your previous lights, you could hook it right up. This light does not come with its own transformer, so either you have to purchase one or use the one that's already installed. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click the like button. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.